Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about Just Chillin. This is legitimately one of my ultimately favorite products out there, because how many of you guys get sore muscles, cramps, you get sunburned, you get hot flashes, just anything like this? This is basically like your BioFreeze, but it's a lot cheaper than your BioFreeze, and it's gonna last a lot longer because this is a big old giant stick. It's got aloe in it, it's got menthol in it, it's got cucumber and peppermint, and all of those are gonna open up the blood vessels, get the blood flowing more to the areas that you need it, like the cramped areas, get the oxygen there. That's why you cramp, you don't have enough oxygen. And it's going to help with headaches, it's gonna cool you off if you put it on the back of the neck. One of the things that I love to do with this is put it on the back of my neck when I know it's gonna be hot outside, because it's gonna instantly cool with that peppermint. It's also very refreshing for your feet if you've had a very long day on your feet. It's great to apply to sunburns because you are going to get that cooling sensation. In fact, I've had people say that the next day it's absolutely nice, and it took care of it just as good as an aloe gel, because it does have aloe and the peppermint and the menthol, so it's going to cool it off and it's going to soothe and heal. So if this sounds like something you'd be super interested in, just head on over to my website. I've dropped the link down below. Go straight there, pick yourself up one of these. I mean, it's gonna last you past the summer. Take it for the beach. I'd honestly throw it in a cool pack though. It's not very sun friendly, but this is gonna last you all summer and probably into next summer, depending on what you use it for. But I've had mine for at least 3 summers, I think. Anywho, I hope you guys are having the most fabulous day ever, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!